Welcome fellas into this new video of TransferWise. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way how to get started to set up and create your actual account of Wise. So to better understand this in this comprehensive guide, I'm going to be showing you adding multiple currency balances, performing your first international transfer. So let's cover the basics. The first thing of course is that you can register into the website through the Wise mobile application. You can enter your email address and select whether you are opening a personal or business account. The first thing I'd like to do is to go into the upper section where we can start by using wise.com. If you type into Google, let's say for example that I go for Wise like this, it would be showing me the actual application, which in this case it would be wise.com. So make sure you are into the right website before you continue. So once we are directly inside Wise, what I wanted to do of course is to go into the upper section that says sign up, because we don't have an account and we wanted to have our first account here. Now it says enter your first email address. So you can enter your email address, go for next. And here it says that we're going to be sending us an actual email so we can follow up with the verification element. So I'm going to just click into the verification code of my Gmail and head over for the option that says continue. Now, when you have now created your actual account, to fully unlock your account, Wise must verify your identity. So this is usually done by uploading a photo of your passport or national ID card and taking a quick selfie to prove that you are the owner. So in my case, since I already have an actual account, it will be showing me something like this. And here you can go into the upper right corner where it says your actual account. You can start by, let's say, entering your own information. You can open a business account if you wanted to. So whether this would be personal or business account, usually it might be asking you to enter the right information. For example, just click into the option that says get your account right away. And here you choose where your business is located. Let's say, for example, that I go into Canada, for example, right? And of course, it's going to be showing you a few prompts so you can continue. In my case, it won't let me because this one, of course, this country is not available yet. So make sure that you are eligible for getting started though. So once you have entered your information, your account should be generated right away. If you focus into the upper right corner, what you need to do now is to verify your account in order to make sure that you can have the full potentials and of course use your Wise account in the advanced tools. Once you have successfully done that, what you can do now is to set up your currency balances and receive funds. To receive funds, what you want to do is to go into the section that says home elements. Here into the home elements, what you can do is that you have the total balances, you have all the transactions, the transfer calculator, do with more with Wise, and then into the cards, this is the actual Wise cards. Once again, if this one is available into your country, you can join and create your actual account. If you don't, you can join the waitlist. The transaction is the history of all the elements that you have done so far. And into the payment section, we have now the send request, scheduled transfer, direct debits, payment requests, recurring payments, payment tools, account details, and much more. The schedule usually is for setups and transfers, repeat payments, or get real rate, no hidden fees. And then here we have the payment request. And the bill is splits. We can settle up your fast with your friends or whatever. And lastly, the recipients, the people where you have sent the money, let's say like your context. And lastly, the insights of all your spends that you have done so far. So to get started, you're going to go for the option that says home, and you can see that we have here a lot of currencies that you can just select and start right away. So if I select one currency, this is the actual information I'm going to be receiving in order to check out here my currency, or let's say my money. If you don't have one, you can always go all the way here and look out for the option that says add another currency to your account. So I select add other currency. You can select to add a new currency, open a jar, or spend with others. So let's say that I go for open so I can send, receive, and spend money with this specific currency. I choose the option that says choose the currency. Let's say that I go for Argentine peso. I hit for confirm, and just like that, here is my actual account already been added. Now if I wanted to send money right away, I choose the option that says send. If I wanted to request money, I choose request, or if I wanted to add real money here, I choose the option that says add. And usually it's going to be asking you how would you like to pay these specific amount. So it says paying with, let's say for example that I choose to pay with United States dollar, and you choose to pay with a debit card, you can go for connected bank account, you can go for a wire transfer, international wires, or a credit card. Remember that all of this can only be done if you already verified and check out your identity in order to continue from Wise. So this is a very easily solution of how you can get started with Wise, guys. You're now ready to perform international transfers, check out the Wise cards and so much more elements. So don't forget to order the physical card if you are available, because this one is going to be really useful. In my case, it doesn't yet. So make sure that you liked this video. Let me know if you liked the video in the comments below. If this tutorial was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to TransferWise. So see you next time.